In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $1,000 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FlashForge Creator Pro 2. An absolute powerhouse of printing, the FlashForge Creator Pro 2 is easily the best 3D printer under $1,000. With a brilliant dual extruder design and remarkable quality across the board, we're surprised at how cheap this 3D printer is. Ease is the word of the day when it comes to the Creator Pro 2. The instructions are quick to comprehend, making assembly a breeze. Once it's up and running, the IDEX design allows for multicolor 3D printing in a range of filament types. Whilst the Creator Pro 2 does lack automated leveling, the assistance feature makes it much easier than manual leveling. Factor that in with a low price point and a great design, and there's a lot to love about this 3D printer. Number 2. QIDI Technology X+3. For speed and quality in an affordable package, the QIDI X+3 is a top-notch 3D printer for far less than $1,000. Designed as a consumer-grade solution with commercial technology, we're big fans of this multifaceted 3D printer. You have a gamut of filament choices to pick from when designing your 3D models, from olfactory favorites like ABS, all the way through to more intensive materials like carbon fiber, though you'll need to do some tweaking to get it configured. The all-metal framing of this 3D printer makes for superb stability, and the heat is segregated between hotbed and chamber to minimize warping mid-print. But the real selling point is speed. The X+3 prints at a whopping 600 mm per second, allowing for fully realized models in record low time and money. Number 3. Creality K1 Max. The Creality K1 Max may be a hair's breadth away from the $1,000 mark, but every dollar is on display. This 3D printer is a productivity powerhouse and a premium print solution for 3D models. Newcomers shouldn't be alienated by this intense-looking 3D printer. It comes with automated calibration settings to make 3D printing quicker and easier, tailoring settings to match the filament. Speaking of, you'll have plenty to choose from, with the K1 Max being rated for everything from PLA to nylon. With a 300 mm build volume in every direction, you'll have plenty of space to print. On top of all that, the AI camera tracks your model's progress and can stop the print process should it detect any issues. All this automation isn't always the best, however. Veteran 3D printers may be frustrated with the inability to fine-tune your print. And despite enclosed 3D printers generally being quieter, the K1 Max runs quite loud. For versatile 3D printing and innovative technology for less than $1,000, we still think that the K1 Max is worth the cost. Number 4. Entina X40 V3. A dynamic and affordable 3D print solution, the Entina X40 V3 combines a lot of the strengths of our other ranked 3D printers under $1,000. With the benefit of IDEX printing, the X40 V3 allows for simultaneous or multicolor 3D printing with ease. With Wi-Fi connectivity included as standard, you also have access to a huge library of models, for when you're lacking inspiration. That Wi-Fi connection also allows you to wirelessly monitor the built-in camera, to keep an eye on your print from a different room. In terms of downsides, the open frame design is both a blessing and a curse. It means that you have slightly larger options for 3D printing, but the model runs louder than the closed frame pics. The X40 V3 is by no means as loud as an industrial 3D printer, but can be detrimental. Still, at an affordable median between quality and price, the X40 V3 is still a top-tier 3D print option. Number 5. QIDI Max 3. This is a printer packed with quality-of-life features in order to help new print enthusiasts learn and veterans print easier. The intuitive touchscreen makes for easy configuration, and the dual Z-axis extruder structure makes for quick acceleration. A pores functionality allows you to easily refill or replace filament mid-print, and the magnetic plate leads to damage-free removal once the model is complete. It's also worth mentioning that this is one of the quietest 3D printers under $1,000. However, it's not the smallest, the Max 3 is bulky and heavy, which can make it difficult to store. It also comes with an irritating internal light that can't be switched off, so we don't recommend sleeping in the same room as it. Overall, though, this 3D printer is still a versatile and affordable option for those with a sub-$1,000 budget.